what's up? I'm Jhene, and today I'll be showing you guys how I do my daytime everyday makeup look. First step, work on my eyebrows. And sometimes it'll literally take me like 30 minutes just on my eyebrows, just because I feel like for me it's the most important part. For me, like the hardest part is getting them like even. We've all heard that eyebrows are cousins. What is it? Sisters, not twins, sorry. I think that's good. Next, I do my eyeshadow. I really love the names of these, and I'm like one of those people that picks like a nail polish because of the name. I'm gonna take Fill In It. I just sweep it across the eyelid to like the outer corner, like build it up. It just adds a little depth to my eyes. And the reason why I do my eyes first is because with the concealer, I can clean up anything that has, you know, fallen, and I can sort of like shape it. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I use Pro Conceal. Then I take a concealer brush and sort of, then I sort of go in on my nose, just on the sides to create that shape that I want. Then I go in with my beauty blender. I also wet it just a little. Oops. I'm starting to look prettier, so that means this is going good. Now I'm gonna do my foundation. I like to put it on super thin so that like my skin can still shine through. Then I just take the foundation and sort of clean up the top of the eyebrow. Contour. I like to just follow the natural curves to my face. For my nose, I literally buy this palette just to use this color. I kind of like blend the two. I like to create like a little butt nose. Do a little circle at the point, at the, whatever it's called. This is what adds like the glow. Then I like to use my finger. Here's a trick. And I go right here, like on the ball of my nose, to give it like a cute little bloop. You see? Okay, it's coming together. Then I take the same highlighter and I also use it under the eyebrow. I'm gonna set this so that I don't get oily and greasy. So, where is it? I'm gonna take the same pencil that I did my eyebrows with, and I'm gonna use it sort of as an eyeliner. Sort of extend it and just create some drama. Then I go to the outer corner and just smoke it out a little bit. These angles are cray. Little shimmer. Gonna blend it out a little. I'm gonna add just a little to the inner corner. Mascara. I am not very picky when it comes to mascara, so I will use any mascara. I don't really like to wear lipstick all the time, so I like to use lip gloss and just let like my natural pink lips show. This is my favorite lip gloss. And then I lied, there's one last little step. I take the highlight that I used on my cheeks and my inner eye and all that. I use my finger and I just put it right in the little dip of my lip. It's just cute. I'm done. So I told you all my secrets, but now I've got to go. Bye. Still here. So that was me doing my best impression of Jhene Aiko. I'm not sure how this video was gonna turn out, if you guys will even see it. I just wanted to do something a little bit fun, and I thought I would follow Jhene's Vogue Beauty Secrets video. So I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up because I worked really hard on it. I got notes of everything she said, so I hope you guys like it. Please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you are not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and until my next one, I'll see you guys later. Bye.